Welcome to Kitten Magic Show. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you 3 of my slimes. Yeah. So this is the first one, second, and third. So first one is this one. That is purple. Here it is. Looks like a pancake. Okay, let's take out the container. We're bringing it closer, guys. Don't get too close to the slimes. I don't want to drop in it. I'll do a swirl. Oh. Okay, next slime. This orange one. It's more darker. Ooh. Okay. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm gonna hurry up and do this video. Okay. Next one is the clear pink one. So this one has foam beads in it. It smells so good. Yeah. If y'all can see the foam beads, they're in there. See, as you can see, get real close. See, there's one right there. There's a whole bunch right there. Look, some right there. Oh, see, you see those? See? Okay. Let's just ASMR. And no, this is not red. This is pink. It's already been 4 minutes. What? Okay, now we're gonna make a bubble with this one. make a bubble. This makes clicking noise. So, yeah. I will get to you when this is done. So, yeah. I'll see you back, guys. I'm gonna see you in a minute when I'm done laying you out. Okay, guys, so I am done laying them out. I'm gonna show you what they all look like. So here all they look like. This is the biggest one, of course. Here's the clear one. Here is the purple one. Here is the orange one. You heard the no. Guys, they got stuck together. No! Okay, let's start putting them back in their containers. So, yeah. Of course, this one first. Then this one. And then this one. I'm gonna do like what people do on YouTube. So, yeah. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye. I'll see you next time. Peace.